All right, John, looks like it's just you and me now.
Yeah, that's fine. We're now on the AK sports car stand.
Lovely.
We're now we're now live stream. If you want to say hello, and we'll have a little wander around a couple of cars.
Absolutely. Hello, everybody. Good morning.
Hi. Good morning. Very good morning. It's now 5:25 a.m. here in Vancouver, Canada.
Wow.
And
good
you're
morning,
streaming. Very good morning to you. You're streaming through the Northwest Kit Car Owners Group, who's the gentleman who passed you the microphone, and you're now on 7 Spot. And we're broadcasting internationally, so we wanted to say greetings and thank you for joining us. Could you tell us what you're doing and what you've got?
Yeah, absolutely. So we are AK Sportscars, and we produce three models of car. One is a replica, the AT Cobra. And we've been producing that one for 37 years. We also produce Ford GT40 replica.
I recognize that. Looks lovely.
A Jaguar XK SS replica. So today we're at National Kit Car Show, which I think has been running for nearly 40 years. And we are basically showing our wares in varying forms of completed cars, rolling chassis, bare chassis, for people to see if they want to self-build their cars, what work they have to undertake.
Well, it's available as a self-build as well, and you can get a nice rolling chassis from you.
Absolutely. So,
beautiful.
Yeah, we've got the Ford GT40 chassis, that's the first stage of build. So that's literally the steel chassis as it comes out the factory. And from that you then go to the next stage, which is fitting the engine, gearbox, suspension parts, steering parts, brakes, etc. So that's another task for itself, about 400 hours work to get that lot done. And then your final product with its V8 trumpet sticking out the back.
It's a thing of beauty. What a gorgeous car.
Thing of beauty, exactly, yeah. So that basically covers the Ford GT. Cobras is the majority of our business. We've bought 3 factory-produced models just to show the same chassis and the same body can look so different. So for a blue one, which is 1,000 horsepower, which is crazy figures. And then we've got one that's got a paint job, which is like a mirror.
That's a lovely color.
It's stunning, isn't it? It's actually an American company, House of Colours, that produced that paint. And then we've got the blue one, which we've just finished, which has got an LF3 with a supercharger on, so about 600 brake horsepower.
That's frightening.
It's all quite scary, really. But that's just been wrapped with a matte wrap across the top of the paint. So the client, I think, has a few track days planned in there. So they didn't want to ruin his expensive paint job to start with. So it's nice to see that people can do different things with the car and basically spec it how they want it.
It's lovely.
So we're only happy to oblige, of course.
Well, I wanted to say thank you so much. I mean,
very welcome.
It's absolutely awesome. Now, is that Jaguar your replica as well? If you can tell us a bit about that. What engine format does that have?
So that has the Jaguar 3.6 engine in there.
Yeah.
So we actually built the body to sit on top of our Cobra chassis.
Oh, lovely.
Which is also Jaguar based.
Okay.
So we've tried to do it as original as possible. We were very lucky to get our hands on an original. We could actually measure exactly where the rivets should go. So yeah, this was our prototype. Again, it's sold in kit form.
I think you'll sell a few of those. That is gorgeous.
We've got a lot of interest from overseas. Not so much in the UK. So we actually do a D-type as well. D-type Jaguar, which sells better here in the UK. But yeah, a lot of interest, ironically, from Canada.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Now, I've been asked to ask you by a Facebook user. They're asking if you're going to be going to Kit Fest as well.
We are, yes.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Well, we'll see you there as well then too.
We'll see you along the strip. Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah. Brilliant.
Brilliant. Well, thank you so much for joining us. Wendy,
Very
this has just
welcome.
been absolutely fabulous for us.
Enjoy the rest of your whole day.
All right, thank you so much. I think I'll go to bed when we're done.
You enjoy that sleep.
All right, cheers.
Good to see you all. Bye.
Right, bye for now.
Thank you. Okay, Jim, I'm back again.
You are certainly back. Thank you so much. That was really brilliant. I mean,
yeah,
I didn't realize we were going to be doing something with AK, but that was fabulous.
Yeah, well, I nearly bought an AK years and years and years ago, and they were over in Peterborough, and I went out for a test drive.
I love that Jaguar. That is amazing.
Yeah, I was just about to buy one, and then Mrs. decided she wanted a conservatory instead. so that was that out the window. But hey, I've got an MK, so I'm happy with that.
Yeah.